Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to discuss about this 200 simple moving average heat map, and there are too many people out there talking about this heat map and they are taking it as a very strong sell signals. But in today's video, I want to show you how this heat map is giving us very strong buying signals, not the sell signals. So join me and don't skip the video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Okay, first of all, let me just show you this heat map. And you can see that at this time, it is giving us the buying signal. That is the strong buying signal. If it is giving us the red dot like this is the strong sell and this is the weak sell. And here we are having weak buying signal, then stronger, and then we have the strongest buying signal. So at this time, you can see it gave us the green signal, that was the weak buying signal, and now we are here. It is giving us the strong buying signal. And once it will be turned like this, like it has been giving us the signals here, that is the strongest, very strong buying signal. So at one side, it is very good that we are having the buying signal. But on the other hand, if we take a look at the previous buying signals, like we received the strong buying signal here, after that the price action dropped here at the 200 simple moving average, and then after this, we received this buying signal here, and the price action dropped at the 200 simple moving average. And now it can be an indication that the price action will touch the 200 simple moving average, and then we will have a very strong bullish rally. That will be a very powerful bull run, like we had previously here and here and here as well. We can see that after hitting here, when the price action was approximately at between $4,000 to $5,000, it reached, even crossed $60,000 after hitting this 200 simple moving average twice here. And if we take a look at the 200 simple moving average, at this time it is at $13,600, and definitely with the passage of time it will be moved to the upside. But this is not that kind of buying signal like we are having previously, because before every such buying signals, after that the price action moved down to hit this 200 simple moving average, we also received the sell signal. You can see that we received a very strong signal, sell signal, at the tip of this bull run, and here we again received the sell signal after this bull run of 2017. But there is the sell signal right now. You can see that there is no sell signal. We received the weak sell signals here. You can see this color appeared here on this dot, but there is no strong sell signal has been appeared so far. And then we received the weak buying signal, and now we are receiving the strong buying signal. Now let's analyze this heat map with the charts. Like previously we received this sell signal here. You can see the date was 28 November 2013. And if we move back to 28 November 2013, and here you can see that we had a very powerful bull run, and the stochastic, the oscillator, the stochastic was oversold, extremely oversold. And you can see that this MACD was, sorry, not the oversold, this is overbought. So this was giving us the indication that the market is extremely overbought. Now it can move down to visit the oversold. And on the weekly time frame, we can see that the MACD was also very strong bullish, and now it was turning weak bullish from strong bullish. So it was giving us the indication that the market can be moved down from here. Now let's take a look at the next sell signal and then the buying signal. Here we received the sell signal. First weak sell signal was appeared here in November 2017, and then final strong sell signal was appeared here. That was, the date was 22nd December 2017. Now let's move to the weekly time frame, 22nd December 2017. We will take a look at the candlestick which was started at 22nd December 2017. So this was the candlestick that was started on 11th of December then 18 December, and this is the candlestick of 25th December. I don't know which chart the lookintobitcoin.com is using here. I'm at the Bitstamp chart, and we have the candlesticks of the weekly candlesticks 18 December and 25th December. So we can consider these candlesticks, and let's take a look at here at the stochastic that was extremely overbought again. That was giving us the signals that the market is extremely overbought. And here I have also placed this 200 week heat map moving average that is available free of cost at the TradingView. If you don't have account there, then you can use my referral I have shared in the video description. So here the heat map moving average was also giving us a sell signal that was giving us a signal that the price action can hit the 200 simple moving average, and indeed the price action reached the 200 simple moving average and bounced from this 200 simple moving average. And you can take a look at this, the MACD that was turning weak bullish from strong bullish. That was also giving us the indication that the market can move down, because the MACD is giving us the weak bullish signals by turning from a weak bullish to strong bullish. That was a kind of sell signal. Now let's take a look at the current situation. Right now, here, we can see that we have received this weak buying signal, then now we are receiving the strong buying signal, but there is no sell signal. Why? Because this is synchronized. This heat map is synchronized with the oscillators. And if we take a look at the oscillators, then the market is extremely oversold. Previously, we have seen that the market was extremely overbought, and that was giving us the indication that this oscillators can move down to the oversold zone. But currently we are having the situation on the long-term weekly time frame that the market is oversold, not overbought. Very important point, guys. And look at this MACD indicator that is giving us the indication of buying. It was giving us sell signals. Previously, we received strong sell signals, and it is turning from strong bearish to weak bearish. And previously, we were receiving the signals that the MACD was turning from strong bullish to weak bullish. So at this time, the MACD is giving us the buying signals. That is giving us the indication that in the long term, the market can move up. Therefore, this heat moving average that is available at the TradingView is also giving us the buying signal, and we have also received the buying signal on this heat map chart. So this is not a sell signal. This is not a signal that the price line will now move down to hit the 200 simple moving average. It is giving us the indication, guys, that the price action after this correction can move towards the upside, can continue the rally. This is not the sell signal. This is not the indication that the price action is going to hit 200 simple moving average. We need to understand, guys, this point. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then you can also find the link I have shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.